Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. You see what is this piece here? It's M56 Infiniti 2011 tire pressure monitor. We were working on the computer. Computer is not sending signal. Engine computer is not sending signal to one of the VVT solenoid. So I say, you know what? Let's take the engine computer out to take the part number and buy another one. When we come, we take this one out. We found that. Okay, now here we have two. You see, the third one is broke. If you notice here, I don't believe. Yeah, you see here, 1, 2, 3 is broken. We can clean this one here. When we look at here, everything look okay, but that wire is broke. So what we need to do is we're gonna count from the left side. The first row, you see the pin also is 1 to 16 and 17 to. So the far bottom one is 1, because you see here it's go all the way from the top and come to the first line. So that we consider the first line, and this one the second line. So I am going to use my solder there and solder it. I'm gonna get this wire here. I have my solder. I use this what they call it, rosin flakes. This one, this like a pen. I like it. I use it. I open and I just like a pen. Now we have this one here, this company, but they are good too. Now I'm gonna try to solder it. Stay with us. Okay, now I have this wire here, and let me get my my solder. Okay, this is my solder here. Then I'm gonna solder this one here. Before I do that, let me put this pen a little bit so that it can hold. Okay. If you cannot see it well, you can use a magnifier like this. No, I am here doing a soldering, doing my videos. You need anything? Just 1 minute. Okay, see here, I'm gonna solder this one here and leave it there in the same place. It's not touching, it's everything look okay. You see here. So now we're gonna look for the third one, and we put this from external, and we're gonna clean. We're gonna clean it as much as we can, and it will work. Thank you for watching this piece here, about $1,000 from the dealer, almost $1,000 tire pressure monitor. It measures the tire.